Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we are doing a total revamp on my client who has some thinning and breakage in her crown area, and it's time for a touch up. Now we of course are going to relax her sides and back because she is fully relaxed, you guys. In the meantime of us applying this relaxer, I just wanted to remind you guys about our Elite Anniversary Week sales that starts this coming Monday, April 15th, to celebrate our 4 years in business. We really appreciate you guys, and we are super excited for this week as we are offering you guys exclusive promotions that you will never get again. So you guys get ready, get ready, get ready. Now I'm putting on her relaxer, and because the sides and the back are typically the areas that need to lay the flattest, I'm going ahead and I'm applying the relaxer to those areas first. Now the area in her crown where it's super short, that area is slowly regrowing, but of course, to blend it in with her hair right now, it definitely does still require some relaxing. The length of that area is still very short, so of course it grows out really quickly. Now, I know some of you are saying, well, why are you relaxing her if her hair broke off? Guys, just because the hair broke off, that doesn't mean that it is from something like a relaxer. It can be from anything, you cutting the wrong way, whatever the case may be. But when my clients come to me, they are traditionally coming to me because number one, they don't want that area to be so exposed, and they would like to see that area nicely covered up as well as grown back, because you know your girl has the rapport of getting that hair to regrow in a healthy and solid way. So of course, we're going to do our absolute best to really achieve that goal. And I always give my clients exceptional information that they can take home to understand how to better care for their own hair when I'm not actually working with them. Now her relaxer is complete. We did put a semi-permanent color on her as well. I'm just going through and applying some of our Elite Silk Wrap Foam so we can get her molded and she's able to go under the dryer and dry. And then of course we're going to curl her.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves.
Now that her hair is thoroughly dried, I'm just going to go through and comb her out using a comb just to soften the hair up. You guys remember she was under the dryer with the Elite Silk Wrap Foam, and the goal of the wrap foam is to keep the hair nice and straight and also nice and smooth so that we have a easy foundation to work with and curl. Now, for those of you that aren't aware, our Elite Anniversary Week does consist of our tool day. And during tool day, you will have the opportunity to get one of our EHC 1-inch irons as well as the XL iron, which is the 2-inch iron. We will soon be launching our EHC Mini, which is the iron you guys see me using right now, as well as our Platinum Turbo Blow Dryer, which all of these different tools are going to be a part of your regular arsenal. They are literally things that you cannot go without. Now, let's talk a little bit about how she cares for her hair after the fact. When she's at home, she's definitely going to be using some Elite Silk Wrap Foam. For her shampoo and condition, she can also use our new Hair Repair and Revive collection that consists of our Hair Repair and Restoration Sulfate-Free Strengthening Shampoo, our Hair Repair and Restoration conditioner. I had got tongue-tied, you guys. And then, of course, the leave-in conditioner. Now, the good thing about the Hair Repair and Revive collection is that it does not contain any form of nut oils. So, for anyone who has allergies to nuts, you are able to utilize that line. That line also does not contain any coconut oil because I know a lot of people are trying to stay away from coconut oil. It has a lot of the abilities of a premium hair restoration product. This is going to be the collection for those of you that has severely damaged hair or just damaged hair in its entirety. This is going to be the collection for those of you that are looking for maintenance products to ensure that you keep your hair nice and healthy. All of our elite hair care products are made specifically for hair repair, hair restoration, hair revitalization, and then, of course, just your traditional hair care and maintenance. Now, to finish off her style, I'm just going through and curling her with this Smooth by EHC mini iron. And she does not like the hair in her face, hence the reason why I'm curling it towards the side. And also, if you notice when I molded her hair, you guys, I did mold her hair with a little bit of styling towards the face. It makes it easier when it's time for you to curl your hair because you've already framed it out that way. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is actually close to the finished product. Now, the area that you guys saw where the hair was super duper short, it's actually less than a centimeter, if not about a centimeter. We actually did not curl that area, hence the reason you see me curling at a diagonal, because I'm using the hair that is there to help to facilitate and cover the area that doesn't have good coverage. See, I got tongue-tied with that. Now, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please don't forget to also thumbs up this video and comment and tell me what you guys thought about the blend of the area where she had all that thinning and breakage.
So then, why? It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves.
So to finish off the style, I'm just using our Flow 3-in-1 comb just to kind of blend everything around the sides and the back and soften it up. This is something that she can easily care for at home, just putting a scarf around the sides and the back and tying it in the front. And then after that, that's really what is this. That's it. All done. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this really short video. Please don't forget, you guys, to go and check out the Elite Anniversary Week sales starting April 15th. Bye.